Hello guys, hope you all are fine. Want to use Google Images without getting copyright strike? Okay guys, in this video we will see if we can use Google Images in our YouTube videos and thumbnail without getting copyright strike. Yes guys, the answer is yes also and the answer is no also. I'll make it simple. You can use any Google Images in your YouTube video and thumbnails without you getting worried that you'll get a copyright strike. But there are few conditions. If it's a image of any place, image of a phone, image of a fridge, laptop or any product, you can use it in your YouTube video or thumbnail without you worrying that you'll get a copyright strike. But those images shouldn't have any watermark in those. So yeah, you can use such images in your YouTube videos or you can use it in your thumbnails. But what images you can't use in your YouTube videos and thumbnails are, you can't use anyone's private information, you can't put anyone's face in your YouTube videos without taking permission of them. You can't use anyone's face. Yeah. So that person can report it to YouTube that it's against my privacy policy or it's harming my privacy. So I want this video to be removed. So in that case you can get a strike. And same comes to if you are putting anyone's private information like PAN card details, Aadhaar card details, or bank details. So that person can report and your video can get a strike. So these things you can't put, and you can use product images and the other images which I said you now previously. So in that there's no worry, you don't have to worry about anything while using those images. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please do like, share, subscribe. I keep bringing these kind of videos. This was it in this video. See you all in my next video. Till then, please be safe. Take care. Bye bye.